Hey, what's up, guys? Meteorologist Doug Hetty. I hope you are having a great Monday so far. Of course, the weekend, Chiefs, man, I was a little bit worried about that one. Definitely very nervous going into that game. And then it actually turned out to be a fantastic game. Of course, the Chiefs won right at the end. So, third Super Bowl in 4 years. We did get quite a bit of freezing drizzle around at least the Joplin metro last night. So the roads were real slick during the morning hours. But on the Kansas side, if you live really a few miles, well, several miles north of I 44, you've had hardly anything, and you're not going to have much as we go through the next couple days. All right, wanted to give a shout out to my guys, Superior Roofing and Construction. They're a four-state premier roofing contractor, and they're family owned, located um, locally, 7th and High Street. So they're family owned. I had them do my roof a couple months ago. You guys should check them out. The number is right there on your screen. All right. So yeah, we had the freezing drizzle last night, and then this morning we've had very heavy bouts of snow, graupel, and sleet, especially along and south by 44. That's where all the action has been for us today. So let's go ahead and take a look. We're going to take a tour. Let's see. Let's go in. Um, this is where it gets interesting. So where you see the blue, that is mainly snow and graupel, but where you see the pink, or not the pink, the purple, that is all sleet, and then this is kind of freezing rain down here. So it's interesting that we got just a little bit of everything, which is working through, but you can see it stays right along I-44 and south, and that's where it's mainly going to be as we go through the rest of the afternoon into the evening hours. So let's tour around. So Mountain Grove over toward West Plains picking up. So where you see these dark blues, I mean, this is really coming down. We've had some thunder sleet through the morning hours. Mountain Grove to West Plains getting into the action. We got very heavy sleet from Branson up towards Springfield. And then once you get over near Cassville, still very heavy sleet mixed in with snow, all the way up to Mount Vernon. So we've had very heavy accumulations of mainly snow and sleet, upwards of 1 inch, and even some areas are going to press 2 inches of sleet, which is a whole bunch of sleet because it's little ice balls that compact right into the ground. And then it picks up again. Really, there's a little band just to south of Joplin, but you can see from Neosho. So I mean, look at this band down to Goodman, Pineville, all the way into northwest Arkansas. Once you get into northwest Arkansas, it's primarily sleet. So there's not much in the way of snow, which is mixing it. But this is all very heavy sleet and snow from Bentonville, Springdale, Fayetteville, causing tremendous issues on the roadways over towards Siloam Springs as well. All right, in Oklahoma, you see once you hit Grand Lake, Grove down toward Jay, you also have that very heavy snow and very heavy sleet. And this extends, I mean, east of Tulsa. I mean, look at this band all the way down to Muskogee, Eufaula. Here's Fort Smith starting to really pick up. And then McAllister. And then look at this, all the way down into northern Texas. So we have sleet, freezing rain, and snow all moving through the region, which it's been pretty intense. When you see these dark blues, it's just, oh, there's some lightning. Look at this. That's cool. So just north of Muskogee, this is thunder snow and thunder sleet. We had a couple little rumbles earlier near Webb City. All right, so let's see what's going to happen. Obviously, there is winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings this afternoon for this band. It does start to push east. So here's 7 p.m. The back edge really from Fort Smith to West Plains. Everybody else just kind of cloudy and cold. This band pushes east. We go through the overnight hours. Looks pretty calm. And then as we get into tomorrow morning, look what happens. Another wave develops. And again, very similar spots through Oklahoma, up toward Tulsa, Oklahoma City, just north of Tulsa, and then riding right along the I-44 corridor. So as we continue through late morning tomorrow into early afternoon, you can see this pushes through Joplin, this pushes through Springfield, and again, we could have accumulations of upwards of an inch of sleet and snow. And then this is mainly going to be freezing rain once you get down toward Little Rock, and then sleet in northern parts of Arkansas through the boot heel of Missouri. So this is another little band that rotates through tomorrow midday, and then it's gone. And then we watch for our next storm system, and this is going to start to roll in on Thursday. It will start to creep up late Wednesday into Thursday, and we're going to have to see how close it gets to us when that system makes it into the region. So kind of a lot to watch over the next few days. So we got the band of sleet and snow along in South 544 now. Got another band tomorrow, another band by the time we head into Thursday. Of course, I'm going to have the latest on KOAM news tonight, 5, 6, 9, and 10. Make sure if you have any comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll make sure to address it. And I hope you guys have a great Monday.